haatan waxaan jeclahay inaan stage-ka ku soo dhaweeyo oo halkan inooga soo jeediyo khudbad ay xafladan ama munaasabadan quruxda badan kaga soo qayb qaadatay Raysal Wasaaraha dalkan Ingiriiska Theresa Mohamud Shire oo kamid ah maamulayaasha ISA ama International Somali Award.
Coming up next onto the stage, we have Mohamud Shire, who is the manager of ISA. He will be reading out a letter from our Prime Minister, Theresa May. Please welcome Mohamud Shire.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of ISA management, we're very, very honored and proud to have you guys here today. It's been an enormous journey, myself, the volunteers, the voting public. It's been an amazing reception that we've had for the past year, having so many of the Somali public worldwide nominate, vote, get involved with us. We really want to send a message to everybody out there. You're starting with you guys to really work with us, and we want to thank all the volunteers, the voters, the nominees, everybody who's really been supportive of ISA, and everybody who continues to support ISA, because without your input, without your support, we really would not be here. We'd like to thank our generous and lovely hosts of Church House Conference Centre, third year running, hopefully more years to come, who've literally put on an amazing festivities for all of us. For the past 3 years, we've had a lot of support from the UK government, and the UK government has always seen ISA as the beacon of hope for the Somali people. And every year, we've been lucky enough to have a message from a sitting Prime Minister, and this year includes that as well. I'd like to read a message from Prime Minister Theresa May. I am honoured to send a message in support of the International Somali Awards 2018, and to take this opportunity to express my deep admiration for the community's resilience and fortitude. I would like to commend the work of the anti-tribalism movement, their dedication in recognising success within the Somali community. The awards will provide a valuable platform to recognise the achievements of all nominees, providing inspiration to those within and outside of the Somali British community. They should be proud of the encouraging stories which are rightly being celebrated at this prestigious event. I am pleased that Right Honourable Harry Baldwin, Member of Parliament and Minister for Africa, will be able to attend and present an award at this important event. I wish all the nominees the best of luck and send my best wishes for the event, which I'm sure will be a great success. Ladies and gentlemen, Prime Minister Theresa May. I'd like to say thanks again. Enjoy the food. Apologies, I should have worn my glasses. I was hiding, but hopefully I could see. But yeah, just thanks everyone for coming out. Thanks a lot for your generous support and your continued support. And see you again in 2019. Thank you.